Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we have another scent from the series of Boadicea the Victorious, and the perfume is Dasman. So I will show the bottle up over here. So this is the sample I have, Dasman or Dasman, I'm not sure what it is. Anyhow, this is a perfume from Boadicea the Victorious. Boadicea as a company, I think they have a DNA that is very you can say inclined towards oud and rose combos. So they are actually making a lot of perfumes that have rose and woodiness. Woody rose, I really enjoy it a lot. So let's see how this one comes out, and I'm going to spray it on a strip over here. So here we go with this Dasman, the first spray. A bit syrupy in the start, sweet syrupy. Yes, there is rose, but it is wet rose. Fruit, very fruity, fruity punch, fruity sweet, rose in the background. Fruits are a bit more prominent over here right now. So it's more on the side of fruity floral rather than woody scent. Very sweet. If there is some wood or oud, it is in a lot of background. It is not prominent at all. So this is actually the initial spray. So let's see if it turns out something else. Let's wave it a bit. Yes, earthiness, a bit of dirtiness, which I call it. Maybe they try to imitate oud, Hindi oud. The dirtiness, a little bit of skankiness. I would not say it is dirtiness, but it kind of like earthy, woody scent that is in the background right now. Very fruity, and the fruits are really nice. They are like some mangoes or pineapples mixed together. Yes, I think this is all I'm getting from this one. More fruity, more on the fruitier side, not much floral. Maybe rose was in the start, now it's in the background. Woodiness or earthiness or oud kind of feeling is also in the background. It is more on the fruitier scale. I would say 60 to 70% fruity, or maybe 10 to 20% oud or earthy kind of feeling, a dirty wet ground or dirty wet kind of wood that's in the background. It is very I would say very different kind of fruit accord. It is not Aventus or it is not any other fruity kind of perfume that is going to create a headache in your head. It is very delicate, rounded kind of mango pineapple mix kind of fruit. I cannot pinpoint what kind of fruit is this. Really nicely done. This is a fruity, light woody kind of perfume that is really nicely done. Dasman. I really think if you like fruity perfumes, this one is a must. This is a really nicely done. It reminds me of some ouds from Laos. They have some kind of fruity vibe to this, maybe some Thai oud as well. Really nicely done. Very nice fruit accord, which is really nice and supported by some earthiness, maybe in the background, light woodiness in far away. Really nicely done. So this is Dasman from Boadicea the Victorious. I really enjoyed this one, exploring this scent. I think if I get my hands on it, I would definitely buy it because it's a very fruity, very nicely done fruity scent. And I think in hot summers, this is going to work really, really well. So this is my review about Boadicea the Victorious Dasman. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Till then, I will meet you in another video. Take care and bye-bye.